Good morning, guys. Welcome to the video. So today we're going to go ahead and meet up with a dude who has a Bullitt Mustang. Kind of wanted to just meet up. He hit me up on Instagram with saying he liked my car. So figured we'd go ahead and meet up, do some cruising around. It's a little wet out today, as you can see in the back window. It's not actively raining though, and the roads are drying up a little bit, so I think we'll be fine. If it does get too wet, then I'm not going to send it, but hopefully it'll be a good day. So I'm going to go ahead and get some gas in here because we are pretty low, 38 miles to empty, allegedly. And after that, we'll go ahead and meet this up with this guy. Well, just rolled up to the meeting spot, so waiting for this dude to show up, so we'll see what happens. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, so what we're doing today, we're just going ahead and go on a little cruise, nothing too crazy. Don't mind the check charging system light, it's something I'm working on, it's whatever. But just trying to make sure we're good. Road conditions aren't too bad in all honesty, it's pretty nice out, so go ahead and take it easy. Nothing too crazy, a little cruise. So we have a GT 350 with us, V6 Mustang, the Bullitt, and then my car. Good grief, but GT 350 sounds good. Woo!
That's good. Yeah. No, don't trust me. We're not even in it yet. You'll know when we're in it.
Oh, I know. I was like, that felt like my car. Like I know.
There we go. The stock system.
So I'm back in the old Shelby GT500, and I gotta say, today was a wild day. I did not expect to ride in the 350. I didn't expect to drive the 350. I let him drive my car in return, obviously, because that's the only common courtesy. Guys, this was an awesome day, and I really appreciate everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw all their Instagrams down below in the description, as well as in this video right here, as well as which car they have. I didn't really get to talk to the Bullitt guy too much on camera. We talked a lot off camera. I just really didn't come in at a comfortable point to really start pulling it out and just sending it with the recording. He probably would have been fine with it, but I don't know. I felt a little weird about it. So it's hard to just pull a camera out in front of somebody. I'm just not used to it yet, and kind of act like it's normal, because to me it's not normal, right? Like, you're supposed to have a conversation with somebody, and having a third eye just in there is kind of weird. So I'm getting used to it. Anyway, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was shitting myself a little bit inside that GT350. He was taking those turns a little sharper than I was comfortable with, and obviously the car is there. Like, I've only owned S197s. They're not known for the cornering. They have a solid rear axle. Like, I mean, I could probably push this one harder than I do, but it felt good. It's got a lot more power than I thought it did. Close to 500 naturally aspirated horsepower. I'm at 470, I believe, is what it's around out of the wheels, which is impressive. It comes on a lot smoother than this car. This car, you know, you push it down, all of a sudden, boost ahoy, and it just goes. His, you actually have like a pretty smooth transition to the power band, but it felt good. It felt really good, guys. Anyway, that's going to finish it off for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. I enjoyed the hell out of this day. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more. I'm hoping to only bring, you know, bigger and better things to the channel. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like and a comment down below.